Hey, what's up, besties? We're gonna get into the string bound planners today. So if you guys are interested in learning all about strings, then stay tuned. Hey. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna talk about string planners. Now, you guys know I was on this train. I just got off this train, and I'm gonna say I'm off of it, but I still would say this is probably like my next favorite thing is the string planners, because you're able to like fit all the things that you want inside of there. Now, Erin Condren recently came out with their version of the Traveler's Notebook, which is the strings. And so basically with a string planner, you have your strings in here, and that's what's holding all of your little mini planners or notebooks together in the inside. So I recently just sold the one that I was using, and I forgot all about this video before I sold it. So I didn't have one set up because that one was actually set up. My black one has not been set up in over a year. So I literally was like, let me just use this Erin Condren one. But I mean, this works just fine. The other ones were Foxy fixes. That's a more elitist type of traveler's notebook. If you guys are looking for something like, if you like, look, I really like this at the end, you really like these strings ideas, and you're like, I'm ready to invest, Foxy Fix is going to be the investment. There are some other companies you can look up on Etsy that sell them, and of course Erin Condren has her own, and she also has the petite planners that fit inside of here. So that's the thing, you can fit as many, well, not as many, I'm lying, you can't fit as many in there, but most of them come with about 4 strings, and you're able to just fit all of the different types of planners that you want in here. So for this one, I can have my monthly, I can have my notes in here, then I can get my budget popping in here, and then I also have a gratitude that's in here. So I can have a gratitude planner. All of that inside of one. And that's what people like, is the customization of this planner. So you can take away and add and create and add little doohickeys and goblets and all that stuff. One of the things that I think you guys saw in here are the dashboards. This is really popular in the TN world. That's what strings are. They're traveler's notebooks. I don't know if I've said that already, but that's what the TN stands for, and that's where the strings come from. This was originally a method that people were using as they were traveling to have like their passport, all their important documents, things like that with them. And then somehow along the way, this just became a thing for planners. I'm not really sure when, but I picked up on it last year, and I was like, yeah, I need to go ahead and get into this whole thing. So I invested and I got some dashboards. I use Digital Dashbox. You guys can find the link down below. Every month she comes out with brand new dashboards for you to use in your entire planner, and I love them. If you guys haven't seen my like overview of the Digital Dashbox, I actually was in this type of planner when I started using the service. So it is a monthly subscription. It's $9.99, and you can get on there and literally like print all of the ones off that fit your planner, and you'll have all of your dashboards. So it's like taking the amount of extraness that you would have with trying to set something up. It's already done for you. It's themed and all of that. So definitely check out the Digital Dashbox subscription, and I'll be doing a video pretty soon here on how to like go in, pull the items off, print them out, and all that stuff. But that is one of the things that really drew me in, was being able to customize my dashboards. Like, I just think this is so stinking cute. Like, look at that, how cute. How cute, how cute. So those are some of the benefits of it. Let's go ahead and we'll jump into what the planner looks like on the inside. All right, so this is the string planner, which is what we call the TN, and this is the one from Erin Condren. She has several different styles and all of that. You can probably put this whole thing together for about $70 if you get the 4 notebooks and all that stuff. Just see what works for you and what they have available on the website. There'll be a link down below. Oh, and today's word is going to be Michaels. That's right, today's word is Michaels. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and just get into what it looks like on the inside. So you would have the planner, and it would have a string around the outside to kind of keep everything together. And yes, I do know that it's upside down. I'm not about changing this, okay? I ain't have time for all of that. I just, yeah, anyways. So inside of here, you have your different styles of notebooks. So this is what fits inside of there. This one has 4 strings, so technically would mean you would be able to fit 4 notebooks. I use some printable inserts, and then I also use a lot lot of the notebooks that I get from Erin Condren, which are the petite planners. So if you guys have ever saw petite planners, this is kind of where that came from and why they are there, because they fit inside of here. So even though Erin Condren doesn't necessarily have a bunch of different sizes, they do have the petite planner, which makes it another size planner. But then inside of there, they have different styles. So you have your gratitude journal, you can get one of those. They have a meal planner, which you guys saw me use, and then a budget book, and then they just have regular notebooks, and then some other style of like life planner, monthlies and weeklies and all that stuff. So one of the things I love about this system is that you can add as many or take away however many you want, and you can jump band. So even though this only has 4, you can actually jump band, and the way that you do it is you use just your regular ponytail holder. No, I'm just playing. You can go to the Foxy Fix, they sell them, and I think, well, I get all mine from Foxy Fix, so that's what I'm going to say you could get yours from. And they have the jump bands on there. And so all you would do is literally take it and you would open to the middle of each of these. Take your band around. Put it in the middle. And now you have this jump band. So now you have 2 that are going to go onto one string. So I just took a printable insert and a notebook from Erin Condren, and now I have them both looped on here. So now I've just turned this 4-string into a 5-string because I have 5 notebooks in there, which is really cool. And that's one of the things I really liked about it, is I could jump band however many like different little items in there that I would want. And then you have just, I mean, all of the things that you buy. I really like this insert. I really like doing a lot of printables because it gave me the flexibility to get the ones that I really wanted and that I really wanted to add. So like at one point in time, I had like a YouTube one, a content creator one. I had one for shopping for Christmas, tons of different printables. Just check on Etsy. Whatever you're looking for, just type in TN behind it, and whatever size, because there's several different sizes. This is the A5 size, and then there's also a B6 size, which I don't. Do I have that? Hold on, let me see. Okay, so I was thinking, I was like, oh, I don't want to pull this all out. But I think I have one that's like already still put together. Okay, so I went ahead and I found like my Foxy Fix one. This is the Foxy Fix. So you can tell a little bit of the difference. There's the spine on here. And then this one has the 4 strings. They're a little bit tighter. This was one of the ones that I had like set up last year and I absolutely love. And because I love the setup so much, I did not remove it or anything. So I just let that sit in there. This is one of the perpetual calendars. And so you can use this. This is one of the Foxy Fix ones. I also recommend going into the buy sell trade groups before you just go and splurge on one, just to see if you actually like it. And the buy sell trade groups, you can usually get it for like 30 to 40% off, sometimes 50% off the normal price, because these are about $150 at this size of the A5. So this fits the petite planners. But then they also have the size for the B6, which is what I was using before, and I don't remember. I think I just got this from a buy sell trade thing as well. And this has the 1, 2, 3, I think this has 6 strings, so you can use it for 6 strings inside of there. You can decorate and all that type of stuff. This also fits the outside of the mini, so that's why you see that I like had my mini notebook in there. Thank you, Tia. I still have these. See, I still had it set up so that I wouldn't lose it. But I absolutely love these. And then they even have like the little wallets that you can add inside of here. So kind of the same thing. You can add and take away as much or as little as you want to from the strings, and you just, you know, put whatever you want to in there, and then you have a wallet, so you can use this as your wallet as well. And I love it. So those are just the sizes I have, but they have tons of other sizes of the traveler's notebooks. Just check them out. They have a personal, they have a personal wide, like just check them out and see which ones you guys are really interested in. Alright you guys, so this is the string planner. I hope you guys have enjoyed the overview of it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to go watch Shay's video, and if you already haven't, click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you guys don't miss the rest of the series. Again, there will be mystery words inside of every video, mine and Shay's included, and then that's how we're going to do the giveaway. You have to have all of the words, and you'll be able to enter the giveaway with all the words, and whoever has them and enters, then that's kind of like how it works. So we click a button and you win. So yeah, and again, we're going to be giving away real coins, okay? Not just like gift certificates or gift cards to Erin Condren or something like that. We're actually going to be giving you guys some physical coins, and there may be an Erin Condren thing, you know, you know how we do, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah. Okay, bye.